I like that these sponges are... Best boat sponge ever, I'm telling you. I hope it lasts for a while. Do we have anybody after this, y'all? I think Open Waves was the last person, right? We did Megan. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts, Christina. Hey. Oh, that was good. Am I missing anybody, you guys? I think we got everybody. Yes, no. In 1 minute, no.
Yeah.
I'll get. Thank you for the gifts. Oh my God, Michelle, thank you.
Mom, we'll be there at 5:40. 15 then?
Yeah. I would say about 5:25, son.
5:15. Then we only have 5 minutes to warm up.
Okay, well, I would say you're right. Probably about 5:15. I really hate I have to miss your game, Augie. This is the first one ever. That was pretty. You wanting a combo? It's just for this season. Tonight's their last game anyways. Oh my gosh, Open Waves. This combo is bomb. I love thick, sudsy paste. It is the type that tears up my wrist the most, but it's safe to say it's worth it. Melissa, I don't know if you ever answered me. You said something about combos. Were you wanting one too, love? Michelle? Oh, thank you, boo. We have cans and laundry, Alyssa. I'm still going to add recycled for the pre-sends right now here in a minute. Yeah, you'll have to wait until I get off of here, though, Elise. Or at least Lisa. Or Lissa. Damn it. I can't get nothing right. I know as of right now we have $95, I think it was. Or no. Hey, let's see. I'll have to check when I get off here. It's all in my Cash App. And I told everybody to put pre-send for Sunday's live in it so that I have proof and track. No, I think we had 60. I don't know. I'm going to have to look. It's all logged. Does anybody else want to add any cans or laundry to this? Is that okay, Open Waves, or no? Thank you, boo. That cream looking one that was over there the other day is, babe, don't rip my hoodie. Anybody else want to add? Oh, yeah, I love you, son. Just go out there and give it your all. Don't let no type of looks, nothing bother you. It is what it is. What? It being the last game?
Yeah. Some dumb shit's gonna happen still yet.
I doubt it. Hey, Mitty. Thank you for the gifts. You guys, thank you. Lexi said, we love you. Play your best, doggy. All right, I'm gonna add some recycle. It's all good, though. I mean, it is what it is. Love you, son. Yeah, I don't care how we do it, Ash. If they can figure out the Cash App deal, let them do that. I don't mind. But just for reference, everything is, what is the word? Logged on. You can't delete like histories on Cash Apps or nothing. Hey, Tor. Roma is 4 and 6. No, quit coming here asking about the video. I'm not posting in it because I'm puffing. It'll probably end up getting around anyways. I don't know. The whole list thing, y'all figure it out and let me know. I just think, I know that we're all not going to sell our product. So in my head, I was just thinking, like, I don't know. I don't want it to be too stressful because then it's not fun. It's nothing to be sorry about. I don't know if you can hear me talking, Ash. No, I'm just trying to... do it the easiest way possible. I figured we were not going to all sell out all of our stashes. So I was just thinking it would be best if we get presets and then just split it 3 ways because then everybody would get an equal amount. That's all.